Hello, all my dear friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel Modern English with Kandudel. Dear friends, if you are new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more videos. Dear friends, in this video, I am going to talk about the appreciation of the poem Animals. But before that, let me give you some idea about the appreciation. Already, I have talked about how to write an appreciation with the help of points. So I'll be giving you the link in the description. You just go in the description and check it out. So let's talk about the question number 3b. In the SSC Board examination, you will be asked the question number 3b. Write an appreciation of the poem Animals with the help of the following points. And we all know that which are the points. The points are the title of the poem, then poet or poetess, then rhyming scheme, figure of speech, central idea, or the theme of the poem. See, all these are the points that has to take into account while writing an appreciation of the poem. So let's start with the actual appreciation. The poem Animals has been written by the American poet Walt Whitman. The poet has broken away from the conventional use of rhyme scheme and has written the poem in a free verse. There are many figures of speech in this poem. The chief figure of speech used in the poem are repetition, hyperbole, alliteration, tautology, simile, etc. So friends, when you are writing about the figure of speech, you may write the figure of speech whichever are there, but out of which you are supposed to take one with the help of example. So I have taken over here the example of repetition and the lines such as I stand and look at them long and long. So in the above line, the word long is repeated twice. So this is what the repetition. Here, the poet tells us that he feels more at home with animals rather than with the human beings. So this is the theme. And the last point that we are talking about is the theme of the poem. And here, the theme is that how the animals are better than human beings. So the theme of the poem is that animals are better than human beings. They do not sweat and whine about their condition. They are not crazy for about possessing the things. They do not kneel to one another. They are not unhappy at all. This is the central idea of the poem. So dear friends, I hope that you would have understood. So that was the very simple and easiest way that I could do, and I hope that you would have understood the appreciation of the poem. So please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get another video